Okay, replacing the air filter on an sh300i. So first of all, there's 3 screws you need to remove from there. 4, 5, 6 screws. There's 3 hex bolts. You just take them off as well. Remove them 3, and hopefully the whole plastics around should lift out. So I'll just go ahead and move them out. Just need a hex Allen. Okay, so I've removed the 3 hex bolts. This bit clips out. Remove that. Looks like there's also another screw here that needs to come out, so we'll remove that. Just remove that. So there's your air intake through there. So hopefully this should just lift off now. And there is your air filter. It's pretty grim. So it looks like there's 3 screws to remove. So we'll go ahead and take these out. It's pretty bad, that air filter. I think obviously riding in town traffic, which is mostly what I do for commuting, then probably blocks them up a lot quicker. We'll take this out and we'll see what the other side looks like. Last screw, so that's 3 screws holding the element in. Put them one side. Oh, they should just pop out now. There you go. And that's it. There's the element. That is pretty bunged up. Nice and clean on the inside, obviously, so it's doing its job. So I'll go ahead and install the new one. So there's the replacement. That's what it should look like. I bought an original Honda one. You can get cheaper pattern parts, and that's what the so you can see it's pretty gunged up. So then literally it's just refit. It's similar to reversal. Okay, so you want to give your airbox a bit of a clean, I suppose, just get all the dust out. There's the intake for the engine. Something else up there. It's just a box, really. That's it. So that's it. Give that a bit of a wipe round. Get your new element. Pop it in. Refit the 3 screws. One, 2, 3. Now redundant tax disc. No more paper tax discs anymore. So what I'll do, I think I'll get all this screwed up. Well, I might give this a bit of a wipe round here now. This gasket's stuck to there. I thought there was something wrong there because it looks oval. I was going to try and reseat it, but if you do actually look at the this other airbox part of it, it is actually oval. So I'll just whip that off, I think, and I'll just reseat it back in there. That's that. That's good. I'll give it all a bit of a wipe round now. Okay, so that's the other part of the airbox. Just show you something. I don't know what it is. Well, I'll put the gasket back on, but I noticed some little plastic tabs in there, and I noticed how groggy it looks, but I'll just ping the tabs off. And there's like another little sponge filter in there. It's completely gunked up with rubbish. So I'm going to give this a bit of a clean out and clip it all back together. I might just wash this out and get all the grit off it and clip it all back together. But that was pretty grim. That was really caked in grit and mud and dirt and all sorts in there. It was like a real bird's nest in there. So I'll wash that out. Nice and clean now. I'll pop that all back together. Then that clips back in there. Give that a bit of a wipe round. Then we'll stick it back on the bike. Okay, so that's pretty much it then, really. One-handed operation. Okay, so that's it. Put the 3 hex bolts back on there, and you're all done. That's it. Easy air fit replacement. sh300i. Thanks for watching.